back to my channel. How are you all? Today I brought a very interesting topic for you.
I want to share with you some amazing modern terrace design ideas that will completely transform your outdoor space that you won't want to miss out on these. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you found these ideas inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay creative and keep designing.